How the lab profile helps teams perform, align, and improve results. Most team problems are not about skills. They're about misalignment of how people think and decide and stay motivated and work together. The lab profile identifies each person's thinking architecture so you can build and motivate teams which actually work. Every team member has their own patterns which determine how they take initiative or wait, follow structure or resist it, focus on goals or problems, work independently or need interaction, and 13 other sets of patterns. And when these patterns are aligned with the role in the team, performance improves naturally. And when they're not, problems begin. Creating the right team. The lab profile helps you select people whose patterns match the role. Balance the team. In other words, big picture versus detail, options versus procedures, and 15 other steps. Avoid putting capable people in the wrong position. You don't just hire skills, you hire how people operate and stay motivated. Organizing the team. Once you know each person's patterns, you can assign roles more effectively. Design workflows which fit how each person thinks and operates. Reduce friction between team members. Instead of forcing people to adapt, you organize work which fits them. Supporting team members. Each lab profile pattern responds to different communication. This allows you to motivate each person precisely, give feedback they can actually use, and reduce misunderstandings and resistance. The same message does not motivate everyone, and the lab profile tells you what will. Achieving outcomes. When roles, communication, and motivation are aligned, people take the right kinds of actions. Follow-through improves, and performance becomes more consistent. You spend less time fixing problems and more time achieving results. Managing effectively. Managers can use the lab profile to adapt their management style to each person, identify problems before they escalate, lead with precision instead of guesswork. You manage people based on how they actually function. The lab profile helps you build the right team, organize it effectively, motivate the team and each person, consistently achieve results. Because when you understand how people think and operate, you can finally manage performance, not just hope for it.